Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yuventa and I make sewing, knitting or crocheting, DIY crafting, and also games content here on YouTube. Today's video is going to be DIYing paper bag shorts where I turn an existing pants pattern into shorts. I got my paper bag patterns from Zoe DIY. She's also a YouTuber that teaches and shares her patterns online and on YouTube. So I suggest you to also subscribe to her channel. To transform the original patterns into shorts is really simple. Just fold away the remaining leg pattern and widen the thigh part to form a straight line as seen in the picture. After all the pieces are cut, I search all the edges for each piece. After all the edges are serged, now you can piece together the front and the back of the shorts. While I was doing all of this, I refer back to the video from the Zoe DIY YouTube channel and followed her step by step. All of her instructions are very clear, so you don't need to worry about making any mistakes. Mark 21 centimeters to indicate the placements of the pockets. Be sure to place the back and the front part of the leg right sides together. After sewing, I suggest you iron flat everything so it's way cleaner and easier to manage. Once you've ironed everything flat, then you can piece together the front and the back together, right sides facing, with the pockets facing outwards, and then sew around everything. Measure 14 centimeters from the top to mark the folding end point. Then you should mark all around and then press flat to make it easier. Measure 10 centimeters from the side seam. Then from that 10 centimeter mark, you should measure 2 centimeters on the right and then 2 centimeters on the left. You should repeat 3 more times in order to make the pleats on the front side of the pants. Now it's time to put in the elastics. Make sure to measure your elastics so it's not too tight for you when you wear the pants. When attaching the belt strap, it should be covering the stitches of the pleats. And now it's time to make the belt. It's just a long strip of rectangle fabric. Fold the strap together to form a long tube. Sew the belt strap at the seam, sewing it twice. When both belt straps were sewed on, I realized that it was too long, so I had to shorten it. Then hem the bottom and then we're done. So that's how I did my DIY paper bag shorts. Please follow me on Instagram at Yuventa Rei. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and then share my videos because that would help me a lot. See you in my next video.